Okay, so for the contingency table, what you want to do is open this in Excel or put this on paper, and you want to add across and down. You don't have to do that, but you do need to make sure that you know that there are a total of 50 outcomes here, and I just added those together to get that number. But I'm actually going to get rid of that for a minute because I think it'll be easier just to look at it this way. Event B or C. So all you're going to do is you're going to go and highlight event B, which would be any of these, okay, or anything that is an event C that hasn't been highlighted. So event C would be the 6 and the 4, but the 6 is already highlighted. So now all I want to do is just add those up. 8, 23, 27 out of 50, which would be 0.54. You always want to divide by the total, okay? And then B or D. B or D. So I've already highlighted B. Event D would be these numbers here, and the 2 is already highlighted. So I would add 6 plus 2 is 8, 23, 42 out of 50. Okay, and that would be 0.84. Okay, A or E. So this time, event A would be these, and event E would be these. So 23, 27, 42 out of 50, which would still be 0.84. And then the last one is A or B. So A is all of these, and then B is all of these. So if you add all those up, that would be 50 out of 50, which is 100. 100% or 1. So that's how you do the contingency table. If it says or, just circle any of those that would be included and divide it by your total number of outcomes.